Hi, in this video, I show you how to use the visual image picker in SwiftUI called Image Literal. An image literal gets all the images stored in your assets folder in your project and display them in an image picker. This is very useful if you have to replace several images quickly in your project. In this project, you can see I have this image. To replace the image, we can change the image name. So let's remove the image name and put, for example, image 1. That is an image stored in the assets folder. So you can see we have just replaced the image. But the most convenient and effective way to replace the image is to use an image literal. To use the image literal, I'm going to remove the image name and write UI image. Let's start to write literal. That is the first option in the list. So I'll press enter to commit the change. So you can see we have this square image. By double clicking that, it brings all the images stored in the assets folder. So here I can click any of the images to replace it. I'll double click again and select the second image. I will repeat the process by selecting different image. So this is how to use the visual image picker called Image Literal in SwiftUI to quickly replace images in your project.